Hi, honey. It's 10 a.m. here. We're now here at the foot of the cross. Can you see the cross? Okay, it's a success. Yes. Okay, are you now here? Or
Pupunta rin dito si Daddy.
Isa,
Someday.
Isa, Isa, and the rest that is Sheila. They were praying. Sorry, and Princess. Hi, Daddy. Aliyah pala. Sorry, Aliyah. And then a princess. And here's Kim. And King. King, that's King. And that that guy over there was Ruden. And a friend of Sheila. And hindi ko siya makita. I cannot see. I cannot see Monette. That's Monette. Our friend too. Those guys, young guys there, belongs to another group. You see? Can you see? I will show you. I will show you how high it is. See that? That's it. Look up the higher mountain. Wait. There. Another cross there.
Ay, wala na pala.
There they are.
Oo. Papasok ka pa din.
Tinanggal ko. Nakakabit na, di ba?
And of course, I'm here.
Oo.
So tiring. But at least we made it.
Bakit yan?
Bye.